Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman here. Today our lecture number 50 and part 10. It is about the mediation analysis. Today we will give you the practical example from the published article that how the authors used the PLS software for mediation analysis. The previous lecture was also for the same purpose, use PLS software for mediation analysis and interpret its results, but that was a practical case study in which we practically go into the PLS software and show you the results, that where you can find these results and how you can report these results in your paper or in your thesis. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to my channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. Now I am directly going to the published article. This article is published in June 2019. Masood, Imran Shafiq and Bashir Ahmed was the authors of this paper. Effect of innovativeness on supply chain integration and performance, investigating the moderating role of environmental uncertainty. Look at the model of this paper. This is the model where the supply chain innovativeness affect the supply chain efficiency and effectiveness through the mediating role of supply chain integration. There are 4 dimensions for supply chain integration. Number 1, internal integration. Number 2, supplier integration. Number 3, customer integration. Number 4, external integration orientation, EOI. II, SI, CI and EOI. Look at the hypothesis, how the authors develop the hypothesis. This is the mediation role of supply chain integration, and here they write the text about and develop their hypothesis, and in the end they write the hypothesis in a way that H5 and H6, there are 4 dimensions of supply chain integration. Number first, internal integration, supplier integration, customer integration and EOI mediate the relationship between innovativeness and supply chain efficiency, and the same hypothesis in H6 has developed for supply chain effectiveness. So there are 2 dimensions for supply chain. One is the supply chain efficiency and the other is supply chain effectiveness, and there are 4 dimensions for the supply chain integration, and H5 is about the mediating role of supply chain integration with the supply chain efficiency, and the H6 is about the mediating role of supply chain integration for supply chain effectiveness. And how the authors show their results in the results part. Remain with us please. These are the results. The authors mentioned here that table 4 displays the results of PLS SEM. We tested the overall proposed model including mediating and moderating paths. H5 states that innovativeness affect the supply chain efficiency through the 4 facets of supply chain integration. The results suggested that internal supplier and customer integration mediate the effect of innovativeness and supply chain efficiency. However, the indirect effect through EOI was insignificant. What it mean that? It mean that in the model which I have showed to you, it mean that these 3 dimensions, it mean that these II, SI and CI mediate the relationship between innovativeness and supply chain efficiency, whereas the 4th dimension, EOI, was not proof as a mediating role between the innovativeness and efficiency. So for H6 the author says that data provided support only for mediating role of II and EOI, hence H6A and B and C rejected. What it mean that? It mean that out of 4 dimensions of the mediating role of supply chain integration, only internal integration and EOI proved as a mediating role of between the supply chain innovativeness and supply chain effectiveness, whereas the supplier integration and customer integration have not been proved as any role of effect between the supply chain innovativeness and supply chain effectiveness. So you can see it again under the results table, how the results table the authors show indirect effect of innovativeness on supply chain efficiency and supply chain effectiveness via II, SI, CI and EOI. These are the 4 dimensions of the supply chain integration. And in first number you can see that in first number you can see that for this is the hypothesis H5 and this is the hypothesis H6. In hypothesis H5 only the EOI have been proved as not significant, whereas the other three dimensions have been proved as significant. All values are significant at p value 0.01 except a full stop. It means that where a is mentioned in the result, that hypothesis is not accepted. In the 5a, in case of 5a EOI, and in case of 6b and 6c. So these two hypotheses and this one hypothesis is rejected and other hypotheses have been accepted. Similarly, you can see how the authors summarize the results. These are the 5a, b, c, d, H6a, b, c, d, where 3 out of 4 dimensions have been accepted as a mediating role between the supply chain innovativeness and the supply chain efficiency, and one is rejected. For H6, 2 dimensions, that is internal integration and EOI, mediates the relationship between innovativeness and supply chain, whereas the 2 dimensions, that is the customer integration and supplier integration, have been rejected. So these 2 rejected and these 2 accepted. This is all about today's lecture. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. The next lecture will be about how to use the PLS software for moderated analysis. Shukriya, Allah Hafiz.